Part 2, moldy cheese or caramel corn. Here we go.
Nope.
I don't know, but
I should finally
I don't know. I think that was caramel corn, but it's still nasty. I don't like either. Ooh. Coconut or baby wipes? Go.
Speed round.
Okay, it's coconut, but I don't like it.
Oh, baby wipes. I can smell it. I can smell it. It doesn't taste that bad.
I don't like coconuts. This is hard.
You can spit it out.
No, thank you. Okay. Canned dog food or chocolate pudding? Hurry. Speed round.
Oh, no. No. This literally smells like barf.
Okay, go barf. It wants puke.
It already smells like barf.
Oh. Okay, that was dog food's pretty gross. Okay, skunk or licorice again, go.
Oh god. Licorice again.
Fucking asshole. Did you ever get skunk?
No.
Asshole? God, dang. That was really gross.
What's that?
You're gonna try it again until you get fucking skunk. Sorry, you two. Get skunk and chew. Chew.
No.
Licorice?
Yeah.
What the? I just wasted another one.
Thank you.
Ah, it's okay. You can spit it out if you want. Pear or booger? God, watch me get booger.
Please do peach.
Oh, peach. Oh, come on, America. Did you get peach?
A weird, funky, deformed peach, but yeah.
Was it peach or not?
I don't know. It didn't taste like a booger.
Toothpaste or berry blue? Toothpaste. Tastes like mint.
Toothpaste. Oh, that's good.
I like it.
I like the blue.
I like the toothpaste. Do you try centipede or jam? Not yet. Well, I haven't.
I have. Oh. No.
Don't wet my shirt. That's gross. Okay.
Okay.
Pencil shavings or banana?
Can we do that one?
I don't know. Oh, banana. Oh, that's definitely. What'd you get?
Same thing I got last time. Pencil shavings.
How's the pencil shavings?
Awful.
Okay. Which one did I not do? Oh, rotten egg or buttered corn.
And did you do the good ones?
Mm-hmm.
Oh wait, yeah.
Mm-hmm. I have a Snoopy. No, I got strawberry. I don't remember. Okay. Buttered popcorn or rotten egg, dear Lord, I don't like either. Ooh. I think I got that one already.
My heart.
Okay.
Die.
Moldy cheese? No, wait, did we do that? We didn't do barf. Oh, it's stuck in my teeth.
Let's hope she forgot about bars.
Nope, don't forget about barf. Okay, here we go. Alright, let's start chewing. Peach. Oh. What'd you get?
Peach.
Peach. I think we did the other ones, right?
I don't.
Peach and toothpaste are pretty good. I never got chocolate pudding. We did that one, right? We did the moldy cheese.
Mm-hmm.
You sure?
Mm-hmm.
We did these two? Did we do these two?
Why'd you lie?
Okay, what are these? Moldy cheese or caramel corn?
No!
Mango chew. Oh, here, Brown. Kiki, witchy?
No!
Oh my goodness. Okay. These are pretty good. Check them out. Got them at the Hallmark store in the mall.